Hello all, and welcome to the second episode of Andromo tutorial series by Wondercraft Planet. In this video, we'll be discussing to modify our theme to create an app. So there are two methods to create an app. First method is that we can click on this button like this, and it will take us to its login page. The page is loading. We can see a number of themes here, and for this method we can just select a theme and modify it according to our needs. And let us go back towards the second method. The second method is that we can click on this login button, and by default it will choose the blank theme. We can make changes in it according to our needs. So in this tutorial we'll be using the second method. So let us don't waste time and get started.
So this is the place where we left in the previous tutorial. You can see, and it is the preview of our blank app. We can add different activities from here. There are 4 sections of activities. First one is recommended, second one is contact, third one is engagement, and the fourth one is sounds. So let us add one activity by the recommended section. I will be adding this about activity in our app. We have to click on this plus icon from here to add the activity. I have clicked, and now it will take us to the activity edit page. I am giving it name as about us. You can see the preview has changed. If you want, you can give a subtitle and a description also. Now let us move to content page. From here we can customize the content of our app. So I am giving the heading as example. You can see heading has been applied here. We can also give a subheading. I am giving subheading as Wondercraft's Planet by Wondercraft's Planet. I have given it. You can see here. Now it is the main section of this about us page, which is the about me section. So I am giving it text as Wondercraft's Planet. Here also I am giving the same. You can see it has been applied here. You can give Facebook URL, Twitter URL, LinkedIn URL, Google Plus URL, website URL, etc. So I am adding my website URL, which in this I am adding my channel URL, which is Wondercraft's Planet. You can see it has been placed here, and now this icon is also coming here. Now let us move to the styles panel. From here, by default it is the theme style mode. I am not disturbing it. Images panel. From here we can customize the drawer icon. By default it is the info icon. Here are a number of icons present. So you can add icon of your choice. I am keeping it as info icon only. Toolbar, I am also not disturbing it. Now let us move back to home page. You can see first activity has been added here. We can add number of activities. Now let us move to theme page. Startup mode, show dashboard, navigation. We can add navigation panel from here. We can add image also. Settings. We can change dashboard name from here. We can enable or disable these options to show banner ads on dashboard and to show social sharing button. I am disabling this show social sharing button for now. You can see it has been disabled. Now layout. We can change layout from here. I am keeping the layout as list. You can see now if I keep list with icons, you can see the drawer icon has also been added. Now let us move to the style section. From here we can customize the style of our app. I am not disturbing it. Now images section. We can change drawer icon from here as we discussed in the about us section, and toolbar section. Now we can customize the toolbar from here. You can see. Now we are moving to global style section. From here we can customize different settings such as color style, image settings and toolbar settings. I am not making any changes in this section. Now settings section. So now we can change our app name from here. I am giving the app name as example. I have given. We can select the target market from here, category, description of app, package name. Package name we cannot change. If we'll change, then it will give an error. App icon, we can select app icon from here. By default it is the Andromo logo only. If you want, you can drag and drop files here. The dimensions can be between 192 pixels into 192 pixels and 512 into 512 pixels. Now license agreement. If we want to show license agreement on our app, we can enable this option. I am not enabling it. Launch notice. We can give a launch notice. We can enable this option to give a launch notice when app starts. Pro features. For this we have to upgrade our plan, so there is no use for us. Rate us. For this also we have to upgrade our plan. Now set monetization. From here we can control the advertisement settings. You can see there are different ad networks given here, AdMob, Facebook, etc, etc. Now services option. From here we can enable or disable different services as Firebase Analytics, OneSignal, Intercom, etc. Now the final option, build. From here we can build our app, which we will know in the next video. Before building, we have to just save our app from here. The app has been saved. Now the exporting of our app we'll learn in the next video. Thank you.
Thanks for watching, and the final episode of Andromo tutorial series will be uploaded on 26th May 2021 on 6 p.m. Thank you.